In this essential Google Calendar tutorial, we are going to tackle a very common and important task: how to copy all of your Google Calendar events. If you're starting a new job, creating a new personal account, or just want to migrate your calendar, this is the guide you need. You're probably looking at your Google Calendar, which holds years of your life, all your past meetings, your future appointments, and your important reminders. Now, you need to move all of that information to a new Google account, and you've probably realized there is no simple copy or paste button for an entire calendar. This process can feel stressful, but it's actually very straightforward if you follow the correct procedure. I'm your host, and in this guide, I'm going to show you the official and safest way to copy all your Google Calendar events from one account to another. It's a two-part process. First, we will export all your events from your old account, and second, we will import them into your new account. It is critical to know that you must do this on a computer. The Google Calendar mobile app on your phone does not have the settings we need to export your calendar. To get started, your needs are very simple. You will need a computer with a web browser. You will also need the login and password for both of your Google accounts, the old one you are copying from and the new one you are copying to. All right, let's begin. The first half of the process is getting your data out of your old calendar. You'll want to open your web browser on your computer and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you are signed in to the old Google account, the one that has all the events you want to copy. Click on the settings icon at the top. From the menu, click on Settings. Now, on the left, find the menu Import and Export and click it. Now, click on the Export button. Google will package all your events into a single .zip file and download it to your computer. Find this file, unzip it, and you will see an ICS file. This .ix file is your entire calendar. Save this file somewhere safe. Now for part 2, how to import Google Calendar events into your new account. This is the second half of our calendar migration. First, you must sign out of your old Google account. Then, in the same browser, sign into your new Google account, the one where you want all your events to go. Go to calendar.google.com in this new account. It will probably be nice and empty. In the top right corner, click the Settings gear icon, and from the menu that appears, click Settings. On this Settings page, look at the menu on the left-hand side. You'll see an option that says Import and Export. Go ahead and click that. In the middle of your screen, you'll now see the Import section. Click the button that says Select File from your computer and find that .ics file we just saved from your old account. This next step is very important. Below that, you'll see a drop-down menu called Add to Calendar. You must click this and choose which of your new calendars you want these events to go into. For most of you, you'll just select your main, primary calendar, which has your new email address. Once you've selected the file and chosen the correct calendar, just click the blue Import button. Google will start working, and if you have thousands of events, this might take a minute or two. When it's finished, you'll see a small pop-up that says that you imported a number of events. You can now go back to your main calendar view by clicking the back arrow in the top left corner. You will see that all of your past and future events from your old account are now safely copied into your new one. It's very important to understand that this is a one-time copy, not a sync. If you add a new event to your old calendar tomorrow, it will not appear in your new one. This process is designed to migrate Google Calendar data permanently, not to link two accounts forever. This is also the best way to back up your Google Calendar. What if you run into problems? The number one issue is, I can't find the export or import button. This is almost always because you are on the Google Calendar mobile app on your phone. I must repeat, you must be on a computer using the full calendar.google.com website to see these settings. The second most common problem is importing events and realizing they went to the wrong calendar or created a new calendar you didn't want. This happens if you missed the Add to Calendar drop-down step during the import. Make sure you are carefully selecting your main calendar before you click the Import button. So, we have reached the end of our guide. You now know how to copy all your Google Calendar events from one account to another. We've learned that it's a simple two-step process. You export the calendar from your old account, which gives you an ICS file, and then you import that ICS file into your new account. This is the safest and most complete way to migrate your entire schedule. I truly hope this guide helped you make your big move. If it did, please give this video a like. It really helps the channel. And if you're interested in more guides on how to manage your digital life, be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Finally, I have a question for you. Why are you copying your whole calendar? Are you starting an exciting new job or just trying to organize all your old accounts into one? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.